this is how we jack mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can replace or inject a SD card to your Gadnic security camera. So we have a SD card here, could be any version, doesn't matter. Normally it's a micro SD in this case, can't inject big one. Take this one. The camera is here, so you don't see where is the SD card placed. So difficult to find, but it's hidden. You have to do softly move as this. The motor. Here you have the place of SD card and the button for reset. So SD card we take as this. In this case SD card should be as this. It will not go other way. So I'm putting this way, reverse. You see how all the way inside. Now press a little bit inside. It will make a ticking noise, so SD card is all in. See? And the same way how you can take out, you have to press as this, it will come out. So SD card, you see the right hand letter at the bottom side, reverse in this case. Otherwise, it will not go. It's fine. Inject. So this is the way you can inject or replace SD card to your Gadnic security camera. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.